Oh my God. Lubog na yung kotse. Sa snow. Oh. Snowstorm in Oak Harbor. Ito yung itsura ng aming front yard. Ngayon, kailangan na i-scrape yung mga ice sa kotse. May snowstorm kagabi sa Oak Harbor. Tingnan mo naman ngayon, ang kapal-kapal ng snow. Check ko dito sa aming likod, kapal yung snow. See? Come on, give me that shovel. I'm gonna do her first here. Before tumigas. Oh. I need some gloves. It's so cold. Really. Huwag na dami gusto tumira rito. Lamig-lamig. Sipon at kawis maghahalo dito dahil sa daming snow. Hindi kayo maglagay ng halo-halo. Kami gumawa ng halo dito. My goodness. I need to work tomorrow.
Yeah, it's good. It's Saturday. Get to work. Flow, flow, flow. Close your jacket. Close your jacket, Daddy. You're scraping it, but still snowing. See?
Okay.
Over here. All right.
Uh-oh.
Tumatanda na si Japorms. At least. What about this one here?
Hold on, hold on.
You don't need to remove everything there. It's just the kuan. Oh God. That's a lot of work. Close your mouth.
Oh la la.
That's enough. Over there, because I want to see over there. This one here. I'm gonna...
Big boss.
Right there. Okay, let's go. Now I can pass by this area. But still, it's snowy. See? That's how thick it is. And the only reason he's trying to remove the snow is because we need to throw some trash going to our trash can bin. But look how thick it is. See? You can see that. You can see our ceiling, our roof. See? It is kind of like 3 inches thick or almost 4 inches thick. Our car can't even see it anymore. Let me do it, Daddy.
No, kuha na to.
That's enough, I think.
Hold on. How?
Oh my Lord. That's a lot of work, Daddy. Just go over there. Don't need to go over here, I think. Put it in George. I think you have to get in, huh? Need some coffee? Huh?
Inside now.
I'll give you the trash. You can pass by there now. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we good? See? If you can see it. How it looks like, see? The plants is covered. That's how thick it is. See? It's like an ice cream cone already. Our cherubim. Okay now? So get the trash.
Cut it up, you know, so I can't get the trash.
If you can see, that's how thick it is. It's almost 6 inches thick.
That's past 6 inches.
Shall we now?
Go, go.
See?
I'm gonna make a way. Move.
We can't get the thing, Daddy. This is super thick. I don't want to drive there. That thick.
Just enough that you can get in the car.
Sige, Chong. Kumbate. Kaya pa, kaya pa. But still snowing hard. It's gonna be useless cleaning your way. I thought I can pass by. I can't. You did not finish this one. This is our neighborhood, mga Chong. If you can see. It's freezing. See? It's super thick. And it's super cold. And it's still snowing until now. I don't know if we can get out, go to the market, buy something. See? This is actually not direct from the snow. But look how thick it is. Accumulating a lot of snow. It's trying to dig in back of our car because we're planning to get out and get some food and get my med at the pharmacy because I'm almost run out, but seems like it's impossible. It's super thick. I don't want to go out. Super dangerous. Daddy, not there, over here, so I can get out. Come on na. Stop na. You can drink some coffee. I'll cut this off. I wanna go there because I want to. Magsalita ka naman, Japon.
Bakit? Gusto ako
Wala pa rin yung gamit kasi snow pa rin ng snow. Tatabunan pa rin yan.
I don't care. Oh, at least meron na kaming madadaanan. See? Oh. Pero nag-i-snow pa rin hanggang ngayon. Kaya hindi ko na lang kukunin muna lahat. No, let it snow again. Oh, sakit na yung balakang ko. At least kung mag-snow man, kunti na lang anuhin ko, aalisin. Oh. Alright. See you guys next video.